Today, we're coming to you from Phoenix, Arizona, where we're about to check out a seriously impressive luxury toy hauler, the 2026 Brinkley Model G 3520. This isn't just any RV, this model has quickly become one of the most talked about toy haulers of the year. And if you're in Phoenix during the RV show, you might even get to see it in person. In this video, we're going to cover the exterior design, interior features, the garage setup, and at the end, our honest likes and dislikes. So let's jump right in. Motorhome overview. This is the Brinkley Model G 3520. Here are the key specs: length, about 43 feet. Height, 13 feet 4 inches. Hitch weight, 3,150 pounds. Dry weight, 17,496 pounds. Water capacity, fresh water, 150 gallons. Gray water, 156 gallons. Black water, 85 gallons. Simply put, this is a large, powerful, and fully capable RV built for serious travel. Exterior front design. Up front, you'll notice a painted fiberglass front cap. Stylish gold accents. A clean, high-end automotive look. You also get Gen Y pin box. Solar system setup. Multiplex control system. Front storage and utility area. In the front compartment, you'll find massive pass-through storage. Generator compartment. Lithium battery and solar setup. One thing Brinkley does really well is organization. Everything is clean, accessible, and well-designed. Leveling and setup features. 6-point hydraulic auto-leveling system. With just the push of a button, the RV levels itself, making setup quick and stress-free. Exterior features and awning. On the side, you get power awnings with LED lighting, frameless windows. Outdoor shower. Perfect for relaxing outside and enjoying the camping lifestyle. Wheels and axles. Triple axle setup. Uniroyal 17.5-inch tires. Dexter Easy Flex suspension system. Right arrow built for stability, durability, and long-distance travel. Entry and steps. Keyless entry door. MORIDE safety rail. Foldable aluminum steps. Easy to access, although the step design could be improved. Rear garage and patio. At the back, you'll find ramp door that converts into a patio backup camera. Fuel station. Built-in air compressor. This is a true toy hauler setup, ready for adventure. Power and utility system. 50 amp power with reel. On-demand water heater. Electric dump valves. Nautilus wet base system. Everything is modern, efficient, and user-friendly. Interior layout overview. As soon as you step inside, you'll notice living area, kitchen, bedroom, rear garage. The layout is compact but smartly designed to maximize space. Kitchen area. The kitchen includes solid surface countertops, large single bowl sink, hidden knife storage, adjustable cabinets, appliances, microwave, 4-burner stove, oven, large fridge/freezer standout feature, hidden trash system plus expandable countertop space. Living area. Theater seating, heated and vibrating. Large adjustable TV. Electric fireplace. Premium lighting. It's cozy, modern, and very comfortable. Entertainment and storage. Built-in sound system. Multiple cabinets. Hidden storage areas. Smart storage solutions are used throughout the RV. Garage area, main highlight. This is one of the best parts of the RV, dual drop-down beds. Converts into a dinette area. Multiple tie-down points. 3-season glass door. Perfect for bikes, ATVs, outdoor gear. Half bathroom, garage. Compact sink. Porcelain toilet. Solid surface finish. Having a bathroom in the garage is a huge convenience. Master bedroom. King-size bed. Storage cabinets. TV and dresser. Washer/dryer prep. Ideal for long-term travel or full-time RV living. What we love. Dual bathroom setup. Having both a garage bath and a master bath is extremely convenient. Smart kitchen features. Hidden storage and expandable countertops add real usability. Front storage system. The front compartment with generator and battery setup is very well designed. What we don't like. Auto-level controls placement. The position makes it a bit awkward to use. Living room layout. The kitchen and seating area feel a little too close together. Blinds and small finishes. Some materials feel slightly basic compared to the rest of the RV. The 2026 Brinkley Model G 3520 is a powerful, feature-packed toy hauler that blends adventure, comfort, functionality, and luxury. If you're looking for a high-end toy hauler with smart design and premium features, this is definitely one to consider. Let me know in the comments, which feature did you like the most? Would you choose this floor plan? And if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.